I'm Srija. Today we are doing another experiment on air pressure. We need a transparent plastic bottle with one hole, a bottle cap with hole, water, and one balloon. Step 1. Put the balloon inside bottle like this. Step 2. Blow air in balloon. Put finger on hole. Hooray! Step 3. Now fill the balloon with water and close lid. Step 4. Let's remove finger from hole and enjoy the water fountain. Hooray! Observation. Air from the hole below put pressure on balloon and water comes out from top. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Little Scientist at Work.